The question is, what is the HCF of smallest prime number and the smallest composite number? Now, let us first understand what is a prime number. A prime number is a number which has exactly two factors. That is, it can be divided by only the number 1 and itself. The smallest prime number is 2 because 2 can be divided by 1 as well as itself. Now let us understand what is a composite number. A composite number has more than two factors, which means apart from getting divided by number 1 and itself, it can also be divided by at least one integer or number. Now let us see the smallest composite number. The smallest composite number is 4. Why? Because it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by itself, as well as it is divisible by 2. So the smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest composite number is 4. Now the required numbers are 2 and 4. We need to find the HCF of 2 and 4. We all know that 2 is a factor of 4. Therefore, the HCF of the smallest prime number 2 and the smallest composite number 4 is 2.